In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and hold a ETF on the Fidelity app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into the Fidelity app and then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says Transact. Then you're able to select on this option that says Trade. Afterwards, please go ahead and look up the ETF you want to work with. There are many great options. For this video, let's work with the VOO. So you guys could go ahead and search it up by its symbol. Then you guys are able to go ahead and select on it. From here, you guys are able to determine how much of it you would like to purchase. Now, you could purchase in terms of shares or in dollar amounts. So if you want to invest like $100, for example, then you would need to select on dollars and then type in 100. And then you will need to press on preview. And then from there, you will need to go ahead and make sure you have enough funds. You need to connect your bank account in order to actually fund your Fidelity account. So once you have your bank account connected to your Fidelity account, it is then going to use funds from your bank account in order to make this purchase. And then from there, you're able to hold on to your ETF for a significant amount of time. If at any point you want to sell it, you want to go ahead and select on sell, just like so. Then you guys have the option to type in the amount of dollars you want to sell or the amount of shares you want to sell. So that is 100% up to you, but nonetheless, you should be good to go. And from there, you're able to make long-term investments. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.